Hello everyone. So welcome you all again to my YouTube channel. Let's do biology. I hope you all are doing well. So I am again with you all with a new video that is for MSc class 2. Okay, so I have already uploaded two videos related to MHC. This is part 3 that related to MHC. In my first video, I just gave you overview of MHC and some experiments. Then in next video, I gave you whole pathway and complete information about MHC class 1. And then now in this video, I will overwhelm you about the pathway of this exogenous pathway that we call for MHC class 2. Okay, so let's get started. It is very important. So just start from this. Okay, so one more important thing, if you haven't subscribed yet my YouTube channel, then please subscribe it and you can also join with me on Telegram group. Okay, so I already discussed with you about the endogenous pathway. Now, in this video, I will discuss with you about exogenous pathway. It will be a small video, but just watch completely. Okay, why are we calling it exogenous pathway? Because it is present exogenously, that is outside of our cell. This is our cell and it is present outside the cell. That's why we are calling this pathway as exogenous pathway. Okay, so what happens? This exogenous what I am calling, this exogenous antigen will enter in the cell by a process that we refer as clathrin mediated entry. Okay, so it is like it will form clathrin coated vesicle. Okay, in which our antigen will be present, then it will this vesicle will fused to the endosome, that is early endosome, in which pH is somewhat high as compared to lysosome or late endosome. Okay, so then what will happen? This antigen will further processed in late endosome. This endosome will fuse with late endosome, and there these antigen will be processed, and what will happen, it will get MHC class 2 there. But I will explain you how this is happening. In this case, the process is not like our endogenous pathway. There the antigen is endogenous, so it will bind to MHC class 2 in ER itself. But in this case, the antigen binding is not in ER. In ER, what is happening? This is our MHC class 2 having two glycoprotein chain, alpha and beta chain. In ER, this invariant chain, a this invariant chain will bind to MHC class 2, so that some inappropriate protein will not bind to the groove of MHC class 2. Okay. So this invariant chain will bind here like this, you can see, so that the groove is not open, so that any inappropriate protein or any other protein can't bind it now. Okay, so invariant protein will bind to MHC class 2 in ER itself. It is occurring in ER. Then next, what is happening? And this invariant chain, then further when it will proceed in vesicle, when it moves to Golgi bodies, further what will happen? After that, it will come in MHC class to late endosome. There, it will further processed. In the pathway itself, it will process this invariant chain. It will processed. Okay, and only a small part of it will remain there. The other part will be processed. This is digested invariant chain. So now the remaining part that is present in the groove of MHC class 2, we referred it as clip. Okay, we referred it as clip. Invariant chain first bind to this class 2, MHC class 2. binding groove, then it will be processed, and the remaining part we referred it as clip. So when this MHC class 2 enter in this late endosome, then there are two other protein that plays role, HLA-DM and HLA-DO. HLA-DM plays positive role here. It helps in dissociation of clip from the binding groove so that this clip will release and our processed antigen will bound here. In this case, you can see a clip is there. But then HLA-DM play roles. It will help to dissociate and release this clip and the processed antigen will bind to MHC class 2. HLA-DO help negative role. It will help in the binding of clip to the binding groove of MHC class 2. ठीक है. So HLA-DO negative role, HLA-DM positive role. So in this way, our peptides will bind to MHC class 2 and now this vesicle will fuse with the membrane and this MHC class 2 with peptide will be present on the surface for presentation of antigen. All these processes are occurring in the cell that is referred as APC, antigen presenting cells. ठीक है, that I already told you that this is happening in APC and we have three professional APCs which are like B cell. Okay, let me see you that. Wait a second. Okay, so as you can see here, we have three professional APC: dendritic cell, macrophages, and B cell. But we have another some antigen presenting cell which we call non-professional APCs. So these non-professional APCs include all these type of different cells. ठीक है? Mainly in all the entrance exams you will get the question from professional APCs. ठीक है? So these three are professional APCs. Okay, so let's get back to this. Okay, so this was all about exogenous pathway. So in this way, and by clathrin coated vesicle, antigen enters in the cell, then it will fuse, this vesicle fuse to early endosome, late endosome. In late endosome, MHC with clip will be present, HLA-DM will dissociate it and it will release so that the processed antigen will bind to MHC class 2 and it will this vesicle with MHC class 2 bound to antigen will be present on the surface of the cell. Okay, I hope this is clear to you. So this is the overall of both the pathway. ठीक है. सो इसको ध्यान से देखना, अगर ये समझ आ गया तो आपको पूरा एमएचसी का कॉन्सेप्ट क्लियर हो जाएगा. बहुत इजी है. एंडोजिनस एंटीजन था, प्रोटियोजोम में उसका प्रोसेसिंग हो गया, टैग के थ्रू वो एंटर किया. ये सब प्रोटीन हमारे हेल्प करते हैं एंडोजिनस पाथवे में. अभी क्लास 1 एमएचसी के साथ जो प्रोसेस्ड पेप्टाइड थे, एंटीजन थे, वो बाइंड कर जाएगा और वेसाइकल निकल जाएगा वहां से, ईआर से, गोल्गी से बाउंड करेगा, देन इट विल आल्सो रिलीज, देन बाउंड टू द सरफेस ऑफ द मेम्ब्रेन. ठीक है. एक्सोजिनस में क्या होगा, यहाँ पे सो दैट अनवांटेड प्रोटीन यहाँ पे एमएचसी क्लास 2 से बाउंड ना, इसलिए हमारा एक प्रोटीन इनवेरिएंट चेंज है जो कि बाइंड कर जाएगा बाइंडिंग ग्रुप ऑफ क्लास 2 एमएचसी. देन ये वेसाइकल फॉर्म कर लेगा, गोल्जी कॉम्प्लेक्स से बाइंड करेगा. याद रखना क्लास 1 में जो पेप्टाइड है वो एमएचसी क्लास 1 से ईआर में बाउंड हो रहा है, लेकिन क्लास 2 एमएचसी से ये यहाँ पे वेसाइकल में जो कि एंडोसोम है वहां पे बाउंड हो रहा है. ठीक है. तो यहाँ पे ये गोल्जी कॉम्प्लेक्स में आएगा, जहां वहां से जैसे ही वेसाइकल फॉर्म होगा तो इनवेरिएंट चेन का डाइजेशन हो जाएगा और ये छोटा सा पार्ट बचेगा जिसको हम क्लिप बोलते हैं. ठीक है. अब एक्सोजिनस एंटीजन आएगा, इसका प्रोसेसिंग होगा लेट एंडोसोम में और अब क्लिप हटा दिया जाएगा HLA-DM की हेल्प से और एंटीजन क्लास 2 एमएचसी के बाइंडिंग ग्रुव से बाइंड हो जाएंगे और ये सरफेस पर वेसाइकल आ जाएगा और यहाँ पे अब CD4 एंटीजन प्रेजेंटेशन में हेल्प करेगा, इसमें CD8 पॉजिटिव. तो यहाँ पे साइटोटॉक्सिक सेल इन्वॉल्व होती है, यहाँ पे टी हेल्पर सेल. ये सारे पॉइंट याद रखना. ठीक है. आई होप दिस ऑल दिस पाथवे इज वेरी क्लियर टू यू. और अगर कोई अभी भी डाउट हो तो यू कैन आस्क मी इन कमेंट बॉक्स और आइदर इन टेलीग्राम ग्रुप. Okay guys, so thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you liked it. So if you are liking, then hit the like button and please share it with your friends as much as possible and subscribe my channel also, and also join me on Telegram group. We'll meet you in next video with more content. Okay.